Hi guys, if you want to use an external mic in your OnePlus smartphone and if it is not connecting or not working, then here is the simple solution. First of all, you have to make sure developer mode is on in your smartphone. To do that, first of all go to settings and then scroll down and then tap on about devices and then again scroll down. Here you go to version. Now on the version number, select 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and it will say you are now a developer. Now go back 2 times 1, 2 and then tap on additional settings. Now scroll down. Now here you will be able to see a developer options. Tap on it and make sure it is on. Now the next thing you have to do is make sure you have enabled the OTG connection. So for that, again go to the settings, scroll down, tap on additional settings, again scroll down and here you have to make sure this OTG connection is enabled. Once you enable the OTG connection, your external mic will start working on your OnePlus smartphone. But keep one thing in mind, this option gets turned off automatically if you are not using the external mic for 10 minutes. So whenever next time you connect your mic, make sure the OTG connection is turned on. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily solve the issue of an external mic not working in OnePlus smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe the channel.